Merry meet magical souls and welcome back to another magical video. I'm so excited to open the Witch's Bounty box for the month of January. Be sure to check them out in the comment section and description box down below. Let them know I sent you guys. The Witch's Moon is amazing. They have a moon market, they have subscription boxes, and they always have something so magical and honestly, truly divine, guys. My beautiful hanging triquetra, my cute little fairy statue to represent the fairy realm is behind me. I got it from the Witch's Moon's various boxes and subscriptions. They are amazing. Oh, I can't wait to see what the theme is for this month. For their bounty box, which always has a beautiful like jewelry pendant that comes in it. That's usually a gemstone. Oh, their boxes are so amazing, guys. I wonder what the theme for this month is. Let's see. The theme for this month is the Sacred Sphere. In a world where information, entertainment, and distractions are abundant, it can sometimes feel impossible to feel as if we are complete. Although feeling the need to grow and transform is necessary, it is also vital that we come to a simple and sacred sense of all being and completeness, void of chaotic emotions and inner chatter. These very basic principles are the beginning, the middle, and the end of all things. During moments of restlessness, we tend to be unable to focus our intentions on one thing, specifically leaving the energy that surrounds us unrested and moving towards too many distractions at once, hindering our ability to feel calm, mindful, and understanding. In this very unique collection, we focus on the deep personal journey to become simple in spirit, pure in understanding, and content in reality. The magical items in this box are as follows. I love that, guys. It's so true. Calm that inner chatter, right? Oh my gosh, are we gonna have a neat sphere necklace that looks like a moon or something? Because I see something that says the sphere. It's a very beautiful, divine looking being. It looks like it could be even a spirit guide. So pretty. It looks a little funny with her hair white because of my ring light. It looks washed out, but I have to have a close-up for you guys. The Book of Shadows artwork is so beautiful with this lady holding a sphere. Oh my gosh, guys. What is in here? I want to know. Don't want the background to look messy. Oh my gosh, what is in here? Let's just open up the pendant for this month. Oh my god, it looks like there might be a little sphere in here too. Just look how good everything's packaged, guys. I just love their quality and how they pack everything. It's just like so good, guys. And oh my god, I don't think... You know what, from one Witch's Moon box, I might have a small desert rose, but like a bigger piece, I don't have desert rose. I'm so happy! Now I have a piece of desert rose. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon. If you guys don't know, this crystal is actually selenite. It is a form of selenite. Selenite is a self-cleansing stone that has angelic energy, just pure divine light. And this is just another form of selenite, guys. And it's a big, pretty piece of desert rose. I'm so happy with this. Sorry it's super washed out, so I kind of want to hold it far away. But the quality on this is amazing. And you can never have enough selenite or desert rose, guys. You want to have this all over your house, four corners, with your jewelry, on your nightstand, everywhere. You want to have that cleansing energy because it self-cleanses. Oh, I just love the energy of selenite so much. I wonder what the pendant is, guys. Look at the beautiful custom box they get to. Oh my god, this is beautiful. And it comes with a necklace. They've been doing their bounty boxes where now it comes with a necklace. No way. This is so beautiful, guys. This looks like a clear quartz crystal that's aura treated. This looks so beautiful. And they made it longer too. The previous chain I'm wearing was from their last necklace and it's a little bit shorter. This one you can extend long. This is so pretty. Do you guys see that? I'm sorry it's washed out. I have a beautiful close-up for you, but it looks like an angel aura quartz sphere, and with the sphere crystal, I'm sure it'll say it on the paper that I'll show you guys at the end, but sphere amplifies energy in all directions, all over the place. So this is so beautiful. I love how they did it when it's like in a little net, and this net is a sterling silver chain, 925 sterling silver. All their jewelry is uniquely made, custom made, and comes in a beautiful custom made box. This is so divine, guys. It's so pretty. I love this. I cannot wait to wear this necklace. It's so magical, and to have the energy of the aura quartz. Let me double check to make sure it's what I think it is, but it looks like an aura quartz. I guess I was wrong, guys. This is actually an opal quartz sphere with silver chain. For some reason to me it looked like clear quartz with the aura coat, so I guess it's an opal quartz sphere with a 925 sterling silver chain. One of the most powerful and meaningful attributes hidden within all magic workings are the symbols that are incorporated into our understanding of the world around us. It is a beautiful phenomenon to connect with symbols on an energetic level, allowing us to manipulate our own perception and understanding of what really may be happening in a world where we are all pulled in so many different directions. This very unique and exclusive piece was created with the intention of providing the energies of completion, oneness, eternity into your spiritual processes. The sphere represents all things at their simplest form, yet unfathomably complex. One that can be compared to seeds, atoms, cells, and planets. Although this is a very simple geometric concept, the ability to connect with the wisdom that sorry guys, the line, it's like the paper's folded, so I was like losing my spot. Although this is a very simple geometric concept, the ability to connect with the wisdom that it represents can be challenging during times of such chaos and disarray. We associate the sacred sphere with a sense of stillness and content. It is during these simple and still times that we're able to truly work through complex challenges and focus on creative processes in the most authentic way. This energy is found within simple intentions, simple vibrations, and simple thoughts. There is true beauty found within this energy that allows us to flow uninterrupted through transformative processes. The sphere provides us with a sense of knowing as well as deeper understanding of true beauty, happiness, and curiosity. The sphere that has been placed within this 925 sterling veil and chain is an opal quartz, otherwise known as angel aura. Oh, so it is angel aura quartz. Oh, okay, cool, because it looked like it. It looked like a quartz crystal that was coated in angel aura. That's so pretty. The radiant opalescent colors from the stone were created by a unique bonding process in which quartz is combined with platinum. A wonderful purifying stone. Opal quartz has the ability... Okay, for some reason I thought it was an opal crystal, but it's not. It's the clear quartz with that sheen on there. Has the ability to bring balance and clarity to the bearing during times of confusion and misunderstanding. In addition, you can feel the energies of happiness and joy radiating from its simplest form. The most compelling properties of the opal quartz is in its ability to bring peace to its environment, which allows you to relax, be still, and work through complicated tasks with a sense of simplicity, knowing, and ease. As you work within this opal quartz sphere, bring your body, mind, and spirit to one place. Allow judgments, perceived perceptions, and still energies to melt away so that you're able to connect with a deeper understanding of divine energy that resides within you. We have included a 925 sterling silver chain to accompany this pendant that is adjustable in length so that you can wear or hang in place where it can be most effective. I love this, guys. Honestly, this is cute as a necklace, but you can even have this hanging like how I have that charm hanging, like above your altar. In feng shui, guys, there's what do you call it again? It's like a crystal ball that has cuts on it that's factated, and you place it, I think it's 5 or 6 inches with a string. It has to hang a certain length, and the sun hits it where there's rainbows all over your house. So it helps purify stagnant energies. Another way of cleansing. I have one over by my window, but this would even be cute to hang from your wall by your altar, like having cute charms laying around. This is just so pretty, guys. I'm so in love with it. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for this beautiful divine talisman. I cannot wait to wear that to work and let everyone know I got it from you guys. Also within this magical box, guys, there is a beautiful beeswax spell candle. This is a mini spell candle. They usually have intentions already blessed within this, guys, and anointed with oil, so you can use it for a beautiful ritual. It's a beautiful mini white beeswax candle. These are amazing, guys, if you want to use a candle for a spell to complete the whole spell. I know some magic is fun to do like that, and it's nice when it's a smaller candle, so you can totally do that. Sorry guys, my camera just died, but basically I was talking about how magical the spell candle is, and it's simple. For those spells you need one candle. Melts quick enough. And then I do think there is a couple more things within this awesome box, guys. There is an incense for this month, a magical potion that's like an anointing oil. This is called the Completion Incense, guys. I'll have the page at the end of the video for you to read more about it. And I'll read it myself later too, but I just want to smell. What does this incense smell like? I love when they put it in this clear thing too, so the incense can keep its smell locked away in the bag. I don't know how to describe the smell. It smells like herbs I've known, and it smells like light but herbal, and like there's some kind of like, I don't know, rosemary, something in it, guys. I might just read it to you. Let's see what's in it. It's the completion ritual incense sticks. As you allow the smoke from the ritual incense to waft through your surroundings of your sacred space, allow its earthly and grounding energies to bring a sense of stillness in your space. Spend these moments uninterrupted and free from distractions, fostering your ability to feel free, content, and connected. So they actually don't say what's in here, guys, but when they said earthly energies, I feel the earthly energies. It's not Palo Santo, but it's something earthly, and it feels like there's a cleansing aspect in there. I really do like that incense, and it looks like the last thing in their beautiful Witch's Bounty collection is this magical anointing oil, guys. And I love how everything, like I told you, is packaged so good in the post, so nothing's gonna be breaking on you. Never had a problem with anything breaking. This says the All Magical Anointing Oil. There's a beautiful clear quartz crystal to amplify energy. And there's jasmine flower in here, guys. Let's see how this smells. Ooh. This has got a sweet smell to it, and I like that. It's something fun. Let's see what this oil is all about, guys. The All Magical Anointing Oil that they've created is created with the intention of bringing a sense of peace and oneness into your environment. As you use this oil for anointing, use the following affirmation: I am whole, I am one, I am all. As you cultivate your energy each day, allow this anointing oil to be your companion and ethereal friend. We have enchanted this oil with oils of jasmine, almond, and lavender, as well as mugwort and jasmine herbs, along with other magical oils from our own personal cabinet of witchery used to create the special blend. We have included a Lemurian mini quartz set to teach oneness and used to clear all charkas. Use this oil to note your candles, jewelry, and skin. Be careful applying the skin, as some may be more sensitive to sunflower oil than others. This is so beautiful, guys. I love this oil. It smells amazing. And one thing I've told you guys a couple times in videos, with like mundane life, I don't get to do magic the way I want every day. Like, I decorated my altar pretty for the new year. I love it. But honestly, I don't get to spend as much time on it as I would like due to me having to go to work. So I get to use my altar when I can. I do prayers when I can throughout my day, and anointing yourself is great to start your day, like they were saying, but also enchanting your nails, because honestly, one of your most powerful tools is your nails and your hands while you can do magic all the time, anywhere, and it's nice to give your hands a little enchanted boost with this talisman. And I love how they sell potions alone on their magical moon market too, so totally check out the Witch's Moon, guys. They have these beautiful subscription boxes. This one was the Bounty box. They got the Moon and the Roots box, and a Moon Market with so many magical goodies. Be sure to let them know I sent you guys and get something fun from them. They have so many divine tools and neat stuff that they create that's so original as well. I just love the Witch's Moon. Their quality is impeccable for the price that you pay. I'm just shocked. I've been in so many metaphysical stores, guys, and the prices and the things, I'm just like, okay, but like the price you pay for their stuff, it's like the price of one item, and you get all these extras that cost like money on their own. I just love their stuff so much. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much to the Witch's Moon for all the amazing things. Be sure to like the video, turn on the post notification and the comment section area down below so you'll be notified for all of my future content, guys. From heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. I hope you guys are gonna have a beautiful rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.